What is up guys? It's not your idol. So back at it again with another video, and for today's video is i-discuss lang natin itong naging draft ng Aurora versus TLPH. So without further ado, simulan na natin kung anong nangyari. So staple ban ang naging ban ng Aurora and ng TLPH. They have banned Marcel, Atlas, Sushin, Fanny, Ling, and Phobius, which are normally, ito naman talaga yung mga binaban ng mga heroes currently sa meta natin right now. So, with the first pick, dahil na-open, and flex pick hero siya, possible kasi na dito sa mga first pick, is ang pinipick natin is Atlas, Ling, Hirara, Fanny, Bellaric. But dahil na-open ang Freya, they go for Freya for Team Aurora. With that in mind, nag-pick agad ang TLPH ng Eudora plus Esmeralda. Esmeralda was picked to counter the Freya dahil dun sa shield niya, and at the same time, hindi na rin pwede mag-pick ng Harit and Pakito yung Aurora. Tapos yung Eudora is a staple pick naman talaga pag red side ka. So, sa first two picks mo, madalas nag-present ka ng Eudora dahil sa assassin meta. So, yun yung reason kung ba't masyadong in demand ang Eudora sa meta ngayon. So, good pick pa rin naman for TLPH. And now, yung Aurora, ang ginawa nila for their second pick is kumuha na sila ng Assassin, Popple, Ling, Fanny, pero hindi available yung dalawang yon dahil naban ni Coach Aeon. So, kinuha nila is the Herrera plus the Belleric, which is also an OP hero currently sa MSC. Tapos, nag-pick na lang ng YSS yung TLPH. Dito nagkaroon ng question yung mga ibang players, yung mga ibang fans or viewers natin kung bakit nag-YSS agad ang TLPH sa third pick nila. Kahit ako nagulat din ako sa pick na to kasi meron pa tayong mga other assassins such as Nolan, uh, YSS, pero parang ang dami pang possible na pwede mong i-pick sa Red 4 and 5 na assassin if ever man. Pero yun, YSS na sila. And then, TLPH, they go for a 2 bans ng mid lane which are uh, pangalan na to, Selena and at the same time Lilia, while sa Aurora naman is a roamer and a gold laner. Yung Chu is para lang sa disruption ng Hirara and Freya, hindi sila ma-disrupt, and gumagamit kasi si JP noon. Tapos carry naman for the Belleric, and with the idea na possible na mag-Uranus setup sila. So yun, sinet up na ng Aurora yon. With that in mind, given na walang carry, katutuloy, TLPH, they go for a comfort pick of JP, which is the Gatot Kacha, which is good din naman for their playstyle. Ang problem lang talaga is that sobrang aga ng YSS. I think kung magagatot din naman pala sila, they just go for a third pick na gatot kung possible sana. Anyways, ito pa rin yung drafting pattern ng TLPH simula pa nung previous tournaments nila. Ganito talaga yung drafting pattern nila. Next would be the Aurora. So, dito na pinik ang Rafaela plus Uranus. Tapos, ang reason out dito for the Rafaela pick is that yung Rafaela pick dito is a good, hindi naman counter, but one of the good heroes na pwedeng mag-disrupt ng placement ng Eudora, and at the same time, kaya pa rin niya mag-clear ng mid lane kasi dahil dun sa first skill niya, nakakapag-clear ng mid. And at the same time, yung Bellaric is also one of a good hero na kayang clear ng mid lane, especially kapag duo mid yung magkalaban sa mid lane kapag first minute ng laro. Tapos, ayun, so transitioning Uranus into the XP lane, tapos kumuha ng Belleric to make it sa roamer para mas may way si Rafaela to clear the mid lane with the help of Belleric as well. Tapos Teddy Cutie, syempre standard gold lane ang pinik niya. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, and sa last two games, this series na to, Aurora really did put a fighter gold lane sa meta right now sa MSC. And I'm not quite sure if yun nga ba yung magiging meta ng Aurora. And makikita natin sila mamaya kung susundin nga nila or ito ba talaga yung setup na gagawin nila. Or baka mamaya sa TLPH lang gumagana yung gantong scenario dahil nga naka-marksman ang Teddy Cutie nila. Anyways, yun lang. And sana may natutunan kayo. And kung may questions kayo regarding sa certain plays or certain picks, and gagawa natin siya ng content. And yun lang. Paalam. Peace out. Bye.